Highlevel Harris, the best affiliate on the planet. Now today I'm going to show you how we're going to set up communities in Highlevel. It's pretty cool if you know what school communities are. Basically, Highlevel just integrated that into Highlevel as well, and they keep adding more and more stuff, which is like super cool. Like every other week they're adding new features. So I'm going to show you how we're going to set up these communities in Highlevel. Okay, let's go. First, go into a sub account and go down to memberships, and then to communities, to groups. Then press create group. Put your name in. I can make this maybe for my affiliates. And while I'm sorting this out, if you look on the right here, here's all the affiliate perks you get if you join Highlevel through my link. We can add a brief description. Let's add like a description like something like this. Let's work together. Branding. So what we're going to do now is go to Canva, and on Canva you can create a design and then press custom size and pick the pixels or whatever you want, inches and millimeters, and put them here and create a design. So let's see what Highlevel wants. Highlevel wants 16 by 16 for favicon, so we can type that in, but I'm sure Canva doesn't do that small. Yeah, so smallest Canva does is 40 by 40, which will still work, so that's fine. So do 40 by 40. Let's get my YouTube logo in. Okay, now let's fill this up. So you can do that. Let's save that. Okay, I saved. Now let's put that in here. And what you want to do is do the other two with the exact same thing I just done there. And then once you've done that, quickly you press create group. Now, if it says over here login or something like that, and you don't have access and it doesn't say settings or like invite members and you can't add a course in the learning section, log in or sign up to this group with the same email you use for Highlevel. Okay, sign in and then it'll recognize that, and then you'll have access to the settings and then like the learning. You can add a course. So let's add my video training subscription, make it free for whoever who joins. You can have access. So the free video training's there for anyone to access. Now on the left we've got a homepage here, but we can add a channel. Like if people have, let's say they got have any questions, description, add a description, and we can add an icon. There you go, and create channel. And we can see here people could come here, go to questions, ask their question, and publish it right there. Now you can invite members. Here's a link, you can invite them, or you can send them via email, put stuff in there. Give them privileges if you want, and all your members will be here, and you got leaderboards and stuff like that. So obviously you want, if you've got a following or you want to build your following, or even your own clients, you want to get them all into one big family, one big group, you can do that via this. Also, if you go on community settings, what you can do is add your own custom domain to this. You see how it says LMX at the top there? So what you want to do is go to, when it says custom domain, you can add your own domain. If I press modify, type in your domain here. Mine was alumx.com. Press continue. You sign up through GoDaddy or Squarespace, whatever you brought your domain on. Sign up. Highlevel will automatically synchronize that. And if it doesn't let you, book a call with me. Link in description. You can jump on a free call with me. I'll help you out. So that just looks better. So now in the top URL, it says your domain and not GoHighLevel.com, whatever it says. Then I guess a lot of the work is on you to build this community up. Add more courses in. So the way you would build your course, if you add course and then select courses, you go to memberships, courses, products, then obviously you just create product, download your videos in, give them a thumbnail from Canva, and then it should look something like this at the end. Something like this, you put your name on, add the videos, very simple. For example, you upload the video there, add the thumbnail there, publish it, and yeah, that's about it. And then what else you can do is when someone like signs up, you create an automation. So add a trigger. I think it's at the bottom. Communities, group access granted. The group is the affiliate one. I created two, but just for show, but don't know which one it was. Let's say that one. When someone has access to the group, we can like send them an SMS. We can send them an email. Whatever you want them to say or anything like that, you can tag them as well. Do whatever you want. You can even like send yourself an internal notification saying this person signed up, and you can just be creative with it. So that's how you create communities. You can make it a paid community if you like, but I recommend just making it free to get like a lot of people in. and you can monetize through other ways, like courses, for example. But be sure to sign up to High Level, get the free trial through my link, and yeah, if you like the video, helps me out. Thank you.